Sometimes you have to slow down. Too much fire can burn the roots. Too much water, the tree can't breathe. Me learn to find my center. Me used to move fast, fight every fight. Me burn me own self in the name of right. But now me take time, me watch, me feel every moment, teach every wound heal. Me not perfect, but me know now. Me no respond to every shout or row. Silence is power, but so is word. Balance are the key me preserve. Balance between heart and mind. Balance in the space and time. Balance in the dark and shine. Me walk light and me climb. Balance, still I rise. Balance, open eyes. Me see man fall for pride and rage. Me see love lost in digital cage. Me see the youth run, but them no know. Them spirit tired, but it no show. So me chance off, me chant true. Me can't fix all, but me fix me view. Me let Jah guide me every pace. Me live slow now, me live with grace. Balance between heart and mind. Balance, don't get lost in climb. Balance, hold your truth and peace. Let the war inside cease. Show we every day. The bird don't rush, the tree don't sway. Unless the wind blows, still them stay. Rooted deep, that's Jah way. Balancing bread, balancing step, balancing thoughts. We care. To myself and to the youth me say, don't burn out your soul for display. Move through, not just loud, be humble, even when you're proud. Balance your fire with some calm. Balance your fist with open palm. Me not say ease up all the time, but know when to pause, that's divine.